Hi students, if you like this channel, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now today discuss about topic properties of triangles. Concept is area of triangle. Okay, first one in triangle ABC, c square is equal to a square plus b square and 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. Now 4 into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is equal to. Now c square is equal to a plus b plus c means now here is c, a, b, c. Now small a, small b. Okay, now c square is equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Now, area of the triangle delta is equal to of AB sin C. Of AB sin C. Now, where angle C is equal to 90 degrees, sin 90 value 1, half into AB. Okay, now delta is equal to half into AB. Now here given expression value 4 into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. 4 delta square. Okay, now here delta square is equal to 1 by 4 into a square b square. Okay, now given expression value 4 into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Okay, now 4 delta square. Okay, now here delta square value 1 by 4 into a square b square. Okay, 4 into a square b square by 4. 4 cancel is equal to a square b square. Therefore, fourth one is the correct one. Fourth one is the correct one. Next one, in triangle ABC, a by cos a equal to b by cos b equal to c by cos c. And small b value is 2. Find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, now according to sine rule, small a is equal to 2r sin a. Okay, 2r sin a by cos a. Now 2r sin b by cos b. 2r sin c by cos c. Okay, now tan a is equal to tan b is equal to tan c. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Hence, delta is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore, area of triangle delta is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Small a equal to small b equal to small c. Therefore, a is equal to b equal to c means now here root 3 by 4, small b value are given to root 3 by 4 into 2 square. Okay, root 3 by 4 into 4 okay, is equal to root 3. Therefore, area of the triangle is root 3. Second one is the correct one. Okay, next one, 2y by 5z plus 2z by 5x. Now 2z by 5x plus 2x by 5y, 2x by 5y plus 2y by 5z are the sides of a triangle. Then its area is. Now put x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. Okay, now 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Now here also 4 by 5. Okay, third one also 4 by 5. Now a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore, given triangle is a equilateral triangle. Therefore, given triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, now area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle delta is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, now root 3 by 4 into. Now 4 by 5 whole square. Okay, now root 3 by 4 into 16 by 25. Okay, now root 3 by 4 by 25 into root 3. 4 by 5 into 4 by 25 into root 3. Okay, now verification by AVM, answer verification method. Okay, now put x is equal to y equal to z equal to 1. Therefore, I hope first one is the correct one. Option 1. 4 by 25 into square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now 4 by 25 into root 3. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct one. Okay, next one. In triangle ABC, area of inner circle is 2, area of the triangle ABC. Okay, now area of inner circle pi r square is 2. Now area of triangle ABC delta. Okay, now small r value 4r sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Okay, pi into 4r sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Whole square is 2. Delta value 2r square sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, now pi into 16r square into sin square A by 2, sin square B by 2, sin square C by 2 is 2. Now 2r square into 2 sin A by 2, cos A by 2, 2 sin B by 2, cos B by 2, 2 sin C by 2, cos C by 2. Okay, now 16 here also 16 cancel, r square also cancel, 1 square sin A by 2 cancel. Now 1 square sin B by 2 cancel, 1 square also sin C by 2 is cancel. Okay, now pi sin A by 2, pi into sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 is 2, cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. Okay, now pi is to cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Therefore, area of inner circle is to area of triangle ABC. Pi is to cot A by 2 into cot B by 2 into cot C by 2. Second one is the correct one. Okay, next one. A triangular park is enclosed by on two sides by a fence and the third side by a straight river bank. The two sides having fence are of the same length x. The maximum area enclosed by the park is. Okay. Now let us consider a triangular park. Now here A, B, C. Okay, next one. Now here height. Now D. Now two sides having same length. Now here x and here also x. Okay. Now here angle both are same. Now here theta and here also theta. Okay. Now first from triangle ABD. Now sin theta is equal to AD by x. Okay. Now AD is equal to x sin theta. Okay, AD is equal to x sin theta. Now according to this triangle, cos theta is equal to BD by x. Now BD is equal to x cos theta. BD is equal to x cos theta. And here also similarly this triangle now here ACD. Now cos theta is equal to CD by X. Now CD is equal to or DC is equal to X cos theta. Now DC is equal to X cos theta. Now total BC value BD plus DC X cos theta plus X cos theta 2X cos theta. Okay. Okay, now total BC is equal to BD plus DC. BD plus DC. Now X cos theta plus X cos theta 2X cos theta. Okay, now area of triangle ABC. Now area is equal to half base into height. Okay, half base into height means base value 2x cos theta 1 by 2 into 2x cos theta and height AD x sin theta. X sin theta. Okay, now 1 by 2 into x square 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. Therefore, maximum area is equal to maximum value of sin 2 theta value 1. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 x square into 1 by 2 x square. Therefore, maximum area is equal to 1 by 2 x square. Second one is the correct one.